Home sellers, the market has changed. This is not 2021 or 2022 or even early 2022. Interest rate has gone up dramatically since the beginning of the year, and that has a major impact on what buyers can afford because it obviously drives their payment higher. And we're seeing a big difference in buyers' demand in our listings, so in all our real estate companies across the country. You cannot simply go from 2.5–3% interest rate to 5–5.5% and not to expect to have some impact. And I want to make sure you're aware and prepared for that. Hello, this is Rima Rafeh with the Rafeh Group with Realty. And today I want to talk to you about the difference in the market. We're not talking about 2007-2008 scenario or housing crash or anything like that. What we are experiencing today is the market is shifting down again. And frankly, I think it's going to shift down another 1 or 2 as we go into midsummer, like it normally does in the summertime. But this year, it's going to be more because of the interest rates going up so much in the spring months. Back in January and February, every home that was put on the market across the country had at least dozens of people interested. Here in the Los Angeles County, we had hundreds of people interested and dozens of offers in our listings. Well, that has backed off dramatically, and that is because of the increased interest rate. And it also because of how much prices have gone up. Prices have gone up 20–30% since the beginning of COVID. And that by itself drives up the payment. So when you are listing your home, you need to be aware of those things. As we get into summer, here where you're going to see homes sell, the actual sold statistics of home with their prices closing for numbers that you might be going, oh my God, that house was amazing and it sold for $800,000 and now I can sell mine for $850,000. Well, I have news for you. Some of these folks and those homes that went under contract back in January and February will not sell for the $800,000 price today with the increased interest rates. I want you to be aware of that because here's what happens when we are in transition of the market. Anytime the market transitions or slows down a bit, we saw this one in the fall of 2018 and we saw it in the fall of 2014. Anytime that happens, there are sellers that do not adjust with it and they end up with their home not selling. Then they get angry at the realtor. And honestly, here's the truth about real estate. Realtors get more credit than what we deserve when the home sells fast, and we get more blames than we deserve when homes do not sell. So to be in front of that as home seller, look at the sold comparables properties in your neighborhood with your realtor. Be aware of the fact that some of those homes that are selling this month, next month, those homes have been negotiated early on, like 2 or 3, 4 months ago. And those homes very likely will not have sold for these prices. So be aware of that when you price your home. Don't overstretch because you're gonna end up making a price adjustment and you will not have as much action on your home. When you have more action on your home and when you have more people interested, you can dictate more of the terms. When you have only one person interested, it's a lot harder to do that. So just be aware of this market changes as you get your home on the market, as you work with your realtor, and hopefully would be one of us here at the Rafeh Group. But no matter who you're working with, just be aware of those things because you do not want to shoot yourself in the foot as you're getting your home sold. Happy home selling and good luck. And if you need to reach me, 661-236-8899.